Hello friend. So how are you? I hope you will be good. So today again I have come with a new video. So how to make this type a star design. How to make a star design. So easily you can make a star design. So I am Amarjeet. Now you are watching expert coding. So today I tell you how to make a star design. So do you know want to know? Do you want to know? Then watch full video. Don't skip video. So let's go. Our desktop screen. Come on our desktop screen and open your pycharm. I open our pycharm, double click, okay. Open your pycharm and here make new class. So star design, a star design dot py. Let's fully make it my class and here write import turtle, import turtle s okay, s star, hit enter. Again import color system, fcs and hit enter. And here write star.setup, star.setup, 800 I give, I think I give 800 and hit enter. And again here write star a speed, turn a speed 0, not any give number. So here next tracker, star dot tracker I give 10 and hit enter. And width, next width, star dot width I give 2, not more than, only 2. And next background color, so I give background color bg color, give bg color black, color black, enter. You can put here any color, any other color, black, red, white. And now I am put here for loop. I using here for loop. So I write for j in range, for j in range 25. Normally I give 25 and semicolon and hit enter. Again here write for loop for I in range, here give 15, not more, 15 at 100 and here color cs hsb hyphen 2 hyphen rgb, and I can take bracket and i i slash I slash 15, I think I give I slash 15 and j slash 25 and 1. Because here I give I slash 15, so here you can see for I in range 15. So I 15 and here range j range is 25. So here give 25 and hit enter. So again here write Again here right. So right I give 9 and hit enter. And again here circle. Put it here circle. Circle. Circle I give 200. 200 hyphen 200 hyphen j into j into 4. I think I give here 4 and 90. And left 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 I give 90, not more than half. Put it only 90. 19. Again I take circle. Circle. Total circle. 200. Same. Give 200 hyphen j into hyphen j into 4 comma 90. And here again take right. Sir, right. Here right 100. Okay, and hit enter. And circle again also take circle. Sorry, again let circle, and here I give 50 and 24. And the right head color dot the height turtle. Mm, my program is successfully done. The program is successfully completed, and now I'm going to run the program and see how to looking on this program in this global design start design. So click on file name and here right click and run program. So one mistake here. So again I run. Yeah, you can see looking is very good and so sweet. So if you like the video, then like, share and subscribe the channel. So thank you friends.